Have you ever wondered what makes a painted lion look truly alive? It often comes down to one small area, the eye. In this lesson, Brazilian artist Elton Brunetti demonstrates how he builds the eye of a lion using oil paints, focusing on color, contrast, shape, and the small details that create a realistic expression. Before adding the details, the basic structure of the eye needs to be established. Notice how Elton first works with the main shapes and values instead of trying to paint every detail immediately. This is an important principle in realistic oil painting. Build the form first, then refine it. Now, he begins establishing the warm, golden color of the iris. The eye of a lion is not simply one flat yellow or orange color. There are variations in temperature, value, and transparency that give the iris depth. By gradually building these tones, the eye starts to move away from a simple painted shape and begins to look three-dimensional. At this stage, the goal is not perfect detail. The important thing is to establish the relationship between the light and dark areas. The darker areas around the eye create contrast with the golden iris, and that contrast is one of the elements that makes the eye immediately attract our attention. Now comes one of the most recognizable features of a feline eye, the pupil. Its shape, position, and relationship with the iris are extremely important. A small change here can completely change the expression of the animal. This is why observation is so important when painting realistic animals. You are not just copying colors. You are studying how shapes, light, and anatomy work together. Elton continues strengthening the dark areas around the eye. Notice how the black is not treated as an isolated color. It works together with the surrounding tones to create depth and define the structure of the eyelids. This is a great example of why realistic painting is built through relationships between colors, rather than individual colors.
As the painting develops, the eye becomes more defined. The surrounding shapes are gradually reinforced, while the iris receives more variation and detail. At this point, every brushstroke has a purpose. Some strokes define the form. Others soften transitions. And some are there simply to create texture and variation.
One of the most important things to notice here is the balance between sharp and soft edges. Not every edge in a realistic painting should have the same definition. Some areas need to be sharp to attract attention. Others should remain softer so that the eye feels naturally integrated into the animal's face. This control of edges is one of the secrets behind realistic oil painting. Now the final details begin to bring everything together. Small changes in the iris, the pupil, the eyelids, and the highlights can make a huge difference. The goal is not to add more and more detail. The goal is to add the right detail in the right place. That is what makes the painting feel convincing. And now we can clearly see the transformation. What began as a simple drawing has become a realistic feline eye with depth, color, light, and expression. This is the beauty of oil painting. With the right process, simple shapes can gradually become something that feels alive. If you want to learn how to draw and paint realistic felines in oil on canvas, Elton Brunetti's complete feline drawing and oil painting course takes you through this process in much greater detail. You can learn the techniques used to create realistic eyes, fur, anatomy, light, and expression. If you're ready to improve your animal paintings, check out the feline drawing and oil painting course through the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this painting lesson, subscribe to Learn Oil Painting for more realistic oil painting tutorials.